Hello, crafty lovelies. I'm Leanie. Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile. That's what I like to say. I hope you subscribe and click that bell and hit all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. You can visit me also on my social media at Crafty Leanie. Now let's begin. I'm taking this cute little frame that I got at the thrift store for $3.99. It's beautiful. Look at that swirls and the silver. This is a quick and easy DIY. Don't have to do really much to it. Just clean the glass. And when I took the glass out, it was kind of chipped on the corners, but that's okay because we're not going to be able to see it anyway. I took a printout. I thought this angel was beautiful, really fitting for what I wanted it for, matching my decor for this Christmas. I just outlined it, took the glass out, put it on top, outline it, and then just cut it right out. I'm going to take my treasure gold paint, and I'm just putting little dots on the tree, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the accent of her bracelets on her gown and a little bit on the bell, and I want the wings to stand out more, so I'm going to add some more gold paint to the wings. And I mean, this is a great way to kind of make your prints look a little more high-end. It's just adding a little bit of paint of gold or silver or color just to give it that little bit of, how do I say it? I always say it like this, impact. And it just kind of makes it look a little more high-end. Not a lot, just a little. Simple. I didn't want to cover it fully gold, just little accents. And just like that, we have a high-end print. Isn't that beautiful? I thought it was very lovely. We're going to add it back into the frame, put the backing on, and look at that. Simple. You can leave it like this if you like, but I decided it needed a little something more. So I took a piece of this Christmas greenery that I got from the thrift store, and I put some little bit of gold paint on that, and I just wired it straight through the frame, through the little holes, and I glued a BB Craft little key. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. And I can remove it if I like later on and change it up. I was really happy with the way this turned out. And look, quick, easy, budget friendly. Let's get to DIY number 2. The second item I picked at the thrift store was this $8.99. It was a silver sugar bowl. I'm calling this sugar bowl. And I thought it was really pretty. You find these a lot at the thrift store. I got some spare, you can tell, I got some spare styrofoam and glued it together and then glued it inside of the sugar bowl. This is another quick DIY and it's absolutely stunning. This little Christmas tree for $3. It's a bottle brush Christmas tree I found at Target. And I love the cream color. It went with the theme in the picture frame that we just did. So I'm just going to add some glue and glue it straight on top of the styrofoam pieces I added. What's great about these trees is it has a wire, so it's easy to straighten them up if you need to. Don't worry about the gap because we're going to be filling that in. But you can also add a little bit of snow in there or floral if you want. Now for the top of the tree, I got those little knobs, the little wooden knobs, and I'm going to paint it gold. While the gold is still drying, I took some black chalk paint and went over it a little bit, not a lot. And then I got some more gold and added just in different spots. So it has a little more gold accent, so it's layered. And it gave it, I don't know, to me it looks kind of antique-y. I really love the way it turned out. I'm going to put some glue in there and twist it right on the top of that little bottle tree. Isn't that pretty? Now this floral I found at the thrift store. I thought it was a good price, and I like to get things like this so I could take it apart if I need to and use the pieces. And that's what I decided to use for my frame and for the rest of the projects. I just put a little bit of my treasure gold right on top of the leaves, not a lot. I didn't do the whole thing, I just went over it slightly. And then I did also the same thing to the berries. Aren't those little pine cones so sweet? I don't know, when I seen those little pine cones on there, I thought they were so darling. I did glue some toothpicks to each end of the little pieces of floral that I chose, so I can stick them into the styrofoam inside the bowl. And if you don't want to add toothpicks, hey, don't add toothpicks. It's totally up to you, because you can always just tuck them in and remove them later on if you want, change them out. If you like to add a bigger ribbon or something else, that's what's great about crafting, is you make it till your eyes smile and your heart sing. I did add a little ribbon. It's a velvet pretty red ribbon around where the gap was. I double knotted it. I did not glue it. I also decided to use a Totally Dazzle brooch. Lovely. I thought it was stunning. I took a little piece of a floral wire that was from a flower, and I just bent it over and then added, I guess you could say, a generous amount of hot glue, and glued it straight to the back of that brooch. Now I'm going to let it set so the glue gets a little hard and will hold it in place the way I want it to. And then I just put it in there on the top of the edge, just like a clip. But isn't that stunning? Beautiful! Before we get to the next DIY, today's video is part of Third Thursday Thrift Flip, hosted by the Rusted Willow and Rusted Chicks Design. I was so happy when they asked me to be their co-host for this month. All the links to the channels and to the playlist will be in the description box. Happy crafting! Let's get to DIY number 3. This adorable little tree came from Target, and it was only $1. I painted its base with some black chalk paint and then went over it with some treasure gold to match the other items we made. I continued this process to go back and forth until my eyes were smiling and my heart was singing. And then continued to add one of those cute little wood knobs I painted with some treasure gold and also with black chalk paint. Once I glued that on the top, I looked at my tree and thought, needs a little more bling, so I added some cute Dollar Tree pearls. I think it gave it more of an elegant look. I then added a thrift store necklace, and I just wrapped it around the tree and tucked it in to the bristles. And I was done. Voila! Now for DIY number 4. We're going to begin by using this unique vase I found at the thrift store for $4.99. I love that it had still the bottom was still intact with the little pads. I love the markings. I thought it would look really pretty once it's spray painted. I chose to use black enamel spray paint for this project. I like finding unique vases, especially at the thrift store, that I can spray paint into my style. I love the markings, and I thought it would look really gorgeous with some treasure gold over that black. I would add the gold, and then I would wipe it down with a cloth. And then I would go over it again with a little bit of black chalk paint. And then wipe. And I keep doing this process until I am happy with it. I then got a piece of styrofoam that I had and just added some hot glue to the bottom, and I use a generous amount of hot glue again to place into my vase. I spotted these beautiful gold mistletoe floral at Target for $3. I'm going to remove the ribbon and place it in my vase. I thought the little cream berries were perfect colors with that gold for what I'm doing. I'm going to get some floral wire that I got from Dollar Tree and wrap, again, some stems on them. I always like to recycle, and when I cut floral, I save those wire pieces, stems, and then I just kind of use floral wire or glue to add some length when I'm doing projects like these. I also purchased these pretty lights. They're kind of like a branch and you can bend them for $3 at Target. And I love that they have the battery pack and they light up. I thought this would be a beautiful, beautiful, elegant touch to this vase. I did add some cream roses also in my arrangement and some of those berries and greenery that I had from that thrift store Christmas floral I found. And I just put it all in there all together. And it turned out stunning. The battery packs were so simple, just put them right in the back inside that vase. Now these little owls, adorable, right? Thrift store, yep. Brand new box, and they already had little Christmas berries and a little pine cone by the owl's feet. They are ornaments, but I'm going to use it for something else, so I cut the string off the top of one of them. And I like that they had the clips. I just found a spot and clipped it right in to my arrangement. Perfect. This little owl seemed like it was perfect for this arrangement, that it had already a little shimmer and sparkle to him. Isn't he adorable? Love it. Now let's take a look at everything put together. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for you today, crafty lovelies. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your kindness. And thank you for leaving me all the wonderful comments. I so enjoy reading every single one of them. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure crafting with you, crafty lovelies, today. I do hope those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, and don't forget, hit the bell and click all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. You can also visit me on my social media at Crafty Leanie. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes, crafty lovelies. Be kind to yourself and others. Be blessed. I'll see you in my next video.